Hello, everybody. This is a setup in which I finally came with this setup, which is a mess. If you can see, if you were able to see here, but it's the only way in which I can make situation. I can record live for you to see the keyboard and the mouse and hopefully the screen. I mean, I share in the screen, but I'm not sure if you will be able to see this. And these sessions are all about me doing some programming exercises. Why? I have more than 10 years as a software developer, and I have tackled lots of exercises in my journey. But there was a course in on edX in which John Guttag, a professor of MIT, recommends that we shall engage in doubling with the code every day at least 10 minutes. I have failed to do that for the past week because I was doing some Blender stuff. Hopefully, you are seeing those videos in this channel. And the name of these sessions are the Karate Kid programming session. What's on, what's off. I don't know if you saw that movie back in the day, or at least the version from 2010. Uh, I came across that analogy by Professor Eric Meyer in Functional Programming 101. Hopefully you're seeing the screen. Um, I don't know if you're seeing the screen. Mm. Oh yeah, but it seems like the screen is not. I don't know. Anyway, okay. Okay, this is my website. It looks like this on purpose. If you made an example of why is this the case, just visit Mr. Leslie Lamport website and you will have your answer on why I like this design. Where is it? Okay, here it is. The Karate Kid, in which this Professor Eric Meyer makes the analogy about people, programmers, the necessity of doing a lot of what's on and what's off exercises. So when you are in a combat, you do this automatically. But even if you're not looking for a job, you should never stop doing exercises. That's for sure. That's for sure. Um, is it late for some people? No. Is it late when you're in the graveyard? Right now, I don't think so. Should I start early? Yes. The sooner the better, but it's never late, in my opinion. Yeah, this is the reason for the Karate Kid, and this logo used in the thumbnail is on the public domain, so I suppose I can use it. If no, please let me know. I will erase it. Now, what we are going to do here is now I don't have anything prepared. This is a live session. I do have an ongoing live session on Scala, solving some functional programming exercises from a book, but that's a way of thinking. Most of the time is in software engineering interviews. They come up with these problems that I don't. Some made up problems, there are real problems. And someone would say, then solve those real problems. But those kind of problems that you have an array and which region you will have to solve in order to reduce the number of steps. I am not able to see an application of problems like that. Most likely that's the way. That's the case. And this is not a complaining video. It's a programming session, so let's get started. I don't have anything prepared. So I will look for exercises with books that are free, available for free in the Web Archive website, or let's see, as long as it is legal. And these platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank. Oh my God, I don't know. Here we are. So let's start. And since it is the first session, I'm going to start easy. Okay, so I am the. Hopefully, you're seeing this. I put my thing. This is the the better approximation I can give you of solving problems that people that are I don't know, if someone is determined to not believe you, no matter what you do, there's no way for you to do anything about that. Let's start with some computer science. Some Robert Sedgwick books that the author has his website, his books website available for free, and there are some problems in there. I know because I am tackling the algorithms course. I know he has two more books at least. Well, several books, but two more books on introductory programming. I can't believe I waste 7 minutes of your life. Correct. Now let's do some programming. But I don't want to spend the entire afternoon doing this, so I'm going to put on around for 1 hour. So 2:45. Let's finish that. 3:45. If I am able to get a job, so if you I don't know how to look for a job. I don't apply that much, that aggressively. Maybe I am stupid, sorry. I don't know how to look. My previous job, someone recommended me this guy can do the job, and I got the job. But I went to the set of interviews. And in 2016, I was able to get a job on my own by applying, but I didn't apply to too many jobs. I have never been the kind of person that is like focused on, hey, where is my next job? Nothing wrong with that, but I still want to focus on some other thing. But again, I'm not bitching. 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Okay, so let's go with algorithms. Um, I rather flex with. And also, I don't know if you are able to hear me. The laptop is over there, but I was able using a 12 South device. Stay go. Um, the wires are in place and the camera. Okay, so here's the website. Well, I don't want to solve this because it takes for me like 4 hours. It's problem. I'm lacking time, you know. Also, some people are recommending studying Spring Book. But, oh my God, I will have to do it, and I will do a live session on my Spring. Oh my God. Oh my God. So here's one computer science. Chapter one, elements of programming, introduce variables. Here's another one. Oh no, he has a book on Java because I am a Java developer mostly, but I happen to know a little bit of Python and programming in Python. He has a book called An Interdisciplinary Approach focused on Java, Introduction to Programming in Java. Where are those books? Look, he has a Java cheat sheet. Wait, look, this is good. I didn't see, I haven't seen this. I didn't play. Apologize. Mm-hmm. They are playing their libraries. I will have this time. Okay, elements of programming. Your first program presentation. Computer and Python. Okay. Um, Java. Introduction. Introduction to disciplinary. Sedgwick. Okay. Okay, we are here. But this is still on Python. What's this? Oh no, this is programming Python and what that. Oh, okay, here's the Java. Okay, we are arrived. We are arrived to the Java version and we are the exercise. Please don't. You know, this is like very simple, right? 10 hello worlds. Write the program that write a program 10 hello worlds that brings hello world 10 times. Well, it doesn't mention if you need. Since this is the first exercise. Um, they are not like. They are not saying if you will need to use loops or not. And someone will say, "Come on, Philip, this is like I don't know some first semester on computer science." Yeah, but we will tackle more challenging problems along as the sessions go. You know. Besides, I don't like to work for free, but now I'm in a position in which I can mostly work for free. Let's start those. Let's tackle one of these. I will use. Most likely they are not using loops over here because they are like starting, you know. They are given, they are given instructions on how to compile. I don't know if they want to use a special IDE. They have a distribution IntelliJ idea, but I haven't installed in the algorithm schools. Instead, I went with NetBeans, and people are saying, "Oh, that's obsolete." Like, oh my God, it's 2024. Please use your favorite modern modern IDE. Yeah, I know. I use those when I am when I'm employed. But right now, I don't have a Wikipedia license. Someone will say, "Well, there are licenses for education and open source." Cool. What's this? Oh, this is like I'm tackling the algorithm tools. I'm procrastinating with this. I am not procrastinating. I can't find when you are in extreme poverty or broke. It's hard to cultivate science and arts. You need to think. I need to think how to come up with money and legally and and tackle this, refreshing this information I will give. This is important. You know, these algorithms are nuclear to the computer science, and I need to refresh some topics. Close. I'm going to create a new one. Again, I know there exists Maven and some other, but I want to just solve the problem. I'm using Ant, the application. And he says, oh my God, then hello world at Java. And probably these sessions doesn't last. Probably I will suspend at any given point. If I find some project, maybe a video game, instead, I will stop doing this and focus instead on another thing. This is like, but again, John Guttak says that you should do this at least 10 minutes, so I shall listen to the wise people. They know something about computer science and education. Then hello world, then hello world, Java. Why is he saying here? Create main class? Yes. It asking for the package. I will put it on the default package, which is not recommended. Not. Look at this. Look at this. I like that bench because it was my first IDE. I never thought I will end this. It will end like this for me. I'm trying to make things work. And then hello world. Yeah, it's highly recommended. And yeah, like wait, wait. Look at this. They put the extension Java in the project. But that Java, this shouldn't be this mistake over here. I will be. I don't like having this propagated. Let's remove, delete. Yes, delete, delete. Look how slow is this. Parameters. Settings. One. This. What's happening over this? No, like what is this Maven doing so much? Okay, saying hello, world. Yeah. Does nothing apply? No. Next moment, the next thing. Follow that young what's good. Okay, hello world. And public static void main, public static void main, and you got your main method. Let's people will say, you don't know this are memory. Look at this. Public static void main string out. You can also put this. But what's the point of having these tools? Unbelievable. And in some interviews, I got some, I don't know, I don't get it. Oh, 10 times. Maybe they want this. Hello world. This, yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you have your 10 world. Most likely that's the way they want it because it's an introductory exercise. Let's suppose they want some loop. Like that. Zero. It's a column in. I don't know what. Sorry. Minus equals then actually I don't know what kind of audience I will get in this video. Like probably no one. But I remember in school like 20 years ago, a professor asked me, "Do you know how to write an infinite cube?" I didn't know. You put this on empty and let the column fall. Why don't people believe? I mean, some person can just know. What was about tell you? Yeah, if you have like, I don't know what kind of audience you can say this. Let's suppose you are starting or curious. Here says mind less than or equals to 10 because you want 10 times, but you're starting from zero. That's how. Whenever you say zero, less than or equals. If you want the number over here. Uh, and run the thing, or it says that it doesn't have a main class. Why doesn't it have? Because we haven't run the main with me. Um, rows, something like that. Okay, and now we can run the thing from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is more like the time. One, first thing, so I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's something going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't want that. There's something wrong in here. Now my explanation was full of it. The previous explanation. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. It was the inverse of what I have said. And if you don't want to come, because why humans should be doing this? Machines, digital computers should do this. You read the I variable. Yeah, so read over. No. Now you get this because we were having 11. You can get chaos on those. Okay, but we are starting from 0 to 9, 10 digits in a number system, decimal number system. From 0 to 9. That shall be the explanation. Okay, that was the first problem. We are left in 40 minutes. Remember, this is the first session. I didn't have anything prepared. So we are spending time on now. Next one. 5. Where is the 2, 3, and 4? Okay. Modify each argument to make a program use 3 Java. To make a program use 3. That takes 3 names and prints out a proper sentence with the names in the reverse of the order. Of the order given. So, for example, Java use 3. Alice of Carol gives I. Carol of Alice. Okay, and to make a program, we need to write this program. I don't know if this is a correct use of my time. I mean, I need to do this for these exercises because going I shall come up with a body. I don't know, but I haven't been in this total place never in my life. And, and I don't used to. I don't know what I know what's up now. I get what's happening. Now I get what's happening now, remembering what that poor professor said. And he said, people don't believe me. So look at this. This is a live session. I am doing this. Now I get it. Besides that, probably that's a paranoid thinking, some silliness in my mind. That's not likely. The fact is that I have failed some interviews. The time wasn't enough for me. Uh, but even when the time expired, I managed to finish the problems. I have even built sort of articles in one of those problems. In some other interviews, I passed the coding challenge, but I failed on the Spring section because I don't care to remember anything about the Spring. But I need a job, so the industry wants Spring. I will take a look. If some hiring managers look see this, will say, "You don't like Spring. You want a job." True, yeah. What is cool? The Spring is book. Spring book is cool. You know, it's a it's a way for you to focus on business logic and your idea. And also, my respect for all the teams involved. I should shut up. Used to it, though. I need a main method. Try to remain. Now this class will be the main class. So I'm going here is to write many to avoid names. Okay, now we got it. Now, okay. Still winning through property, non-property, uh, what was the arguments? I want to give Alice for Carol. And we have three arguments because this is what the exercise says. But if you are on a job, you have to defend yourself, to bad input, bad actors, you know. They want this message. Yes. These are very easy exercise. If you are starting your career, maybe this is hard for you. Don't desperate. I was there. You can do it. You will do it. Carol. Okay, Alice. Oh, and Carol Sophie the third argument in the arts. But we need to put this. Um, more congratulations. It will become X1. Okay. If you are on Java 21, you might want to do some string interpolation using string templates, but they are preview features. You will have to enable preview. They are not part still of the Java 21. Maybe in some recent version they are, but last time I checked Java 21, they were still preview. I'll use as Arc0. There's something wrong here. Hi, close up one, close. We can do this. And I remember having a job that I found code. Oh my! There are some guidelines to write Java code. They are official by some microsystem at some point of time, and now Oracle has those guidelines about the number of characters a line of code should have, a number of lines of code a class should have. You know, I can point you to the right direction, to the resource, so you can improve what you find. This should do it, but I don't know. Hi, Carol Bob and Alice. Hi, Carol Bob and Alice. Okay. Web exercise. I'm taking a look at this question. This question is a little bit weird. All of these produce compile error if you omit it. Right, for some reason, while I don't enjoy solving the kind of problems the platform have available, I tend to have preference for the exercise that comes in the books. Okay, right, a program hello world multilingual, the Java that hello world in as many human languages as you can. Well, so that would be a two, hello world, and hola mundo, which is my native and mother tongue, español, Spanish, hola mundo, hello world. So only two lines of code, and okay, here, let's do it. Okay, we will use, we will leave alone using write a node program. Hello world, multilingual Java. So you three, you became mainly, and now this will be our main class. Hola mundo, mundo, hola mundo, hola, hello, wow. Is that you really want? Is that really want? Because in Spanish we do have open exclamation, but I don't have, I haven't configured this keyboard. My bad. Okay, this is going to run with no problem. Hola mundo, hello world. We have a grammatical error because we are not opening not a grammatical error, syntax in Spanish. So we remove the closing. Hola mundo without explanation. Write a program initials that Java that takes your initial using 9 rows of asterisks like the one below. KDW. Should we do this because it sounds like very tedious? It sounds very tedious. I don't know. Well, the approach for that problem will be to initialize Java. How this package managed to get created? Initials. Yeah, there will be a lot of this simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Online, that's the sound on the top. Let's see how that is. We are using two. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, it's good. I don't know. Let's see if this looks like a C to you. Yeah, for me it is. It looks like a C. See, Caleb? Look like this. Yeah, for me it looks like a C. But I don't know about you. Okay, now get this one. Hmm, that's this even R one, two, only one, three, four. No, I never thought. And then yeah, Caleb, Josué, Luis, Torres. These actors should be over here. One less. For me, I'm okay with this. This art is like silly. No matter. I mean, I love this, cool. How much time? 10 minutes to go. Describe what happens if in Hello World that there are you mean bang say Hello World, everything like that. You omit main and hit main. That's a compiler error because yeah, it's text from network. You have a name and this is not a lambda expression. The string, give me the type for compile hello world. This hello, oh my god, I have compiled error. And this, oh my god. Imagine it, since this is a static method, you either use this or import the thing over here. It's in the tab, so compile error. I'm getting a compile error. Let's uh, try one of those. Let's omit this. Compile error. Let's make initials, compile error. Let's make thing, compile error. Let's make print, compile error. Angular. Describe what happens if you hello whatever you need. The compile error. Java needs semicolon real. There are some instances in which you can omit them. Mm, yeah, in Lambda expression. Well, by so you making the second error. I type I type in the program, it compiles fine, but when I execute it, I get the error Java method main. What am I doing wrong? He's missing the type. It is over here the answer. But if you know, which is what we said at the beginning, the Java virtual machine will look for this method to run the program, and it should have the correct type signature. So we are done with this. Maybe we can do this tomorrow. If it has some exercises, yeah. Yeah, we can talk about that tomorrow. 52 minutes, 3:45, and well, we have 15 minutes. We can be doing 15 minutes. Hacker rank. Login. Login. Don't tell me I forget my password. I still have no vocabulary. If I go in, okay, you I did some of this exercise several months ago, and then I stopped it because I don't know. I don't know what's happening with it. Yeah, it feels like free work. Yeah, sorry that, but that's the reason. Let's tackle this Java tutorial. But let's do some basic. But this Java going to run, Java going to do this, Java right, Java leave, Java hash, Java right, Java inheritance. We shall talk about this abstract class because this is object-oriented design instead of You're reflecting your recording your factory pattern, your single context, covariant, covariant. That's the one of inheritance. This reminds me of a song called Fly Robin Fly by Silver Convention. It's an oldie, and I am not that old. I have like music. Using inheritance one plus is like a lesson on how inheritance one. See what's the exercise. This means that object has all the properties that an angular object has, as well as some additional unique properties. The code above is provided for you in your editor. You must add a sync method. To the class, then modify the main method accordingly so that the code can be following line. This here, it's already here, I'm seeing this error. This is not, I don't know if these sessions are, I shall do some project because this is, like critical, which is great. If someone asks me for having an open source project, I can do that. Okay, for a bird sim, we use Floyd. You don't declare an access modifier. It is it is like a package or a file. So, they forgot to add space. At least they have. Some make sense. Just when I got fired, they didn't allow to use these for completion. I am seeing. Yeah, I can see. Out this side. Oh my god. Now let's suppose you're learning this for the first time. Apparently, this is a Java preparation, and I am not trash talking hackerman. I have to use it. I have to use it to solve an exercise. This is a great web portal, great job. Uh, it's a great infrastructure for you to come solve exercises. They are providing tests, but I can't help to say something. Uh, if you are learning, if you are preparing in the Java class, for example, did you learn anything about writing system.out.imc? But yeah, here's the lesson. So yeah, my, my mistake. Here's the lesson. It's in the inheritance, right? You know, they explain, okay, all the extents and finally, both fly up in Revelation. What can you see? Because if we have an easy one, we can use a medium. There are no medium. Maybe Java Internet, nothing. Maybe art, nothing. Oh, maybe because of this. So maybe the first time I see this user experience is with Amazon, in which you are clicking some filters and the content is updated based on this. Now, designing user interface and user experiences, like by thinking, how many minutes do we have in the first place? 7 minutes. Find your access, find checker, Java is compartment, Java, Java, which one? Yeah, oh, so I did some of this. It seems people are having problems with this. 97 versus 83, 91 versus 83, 96. Yeah, we can certainly do this. Uh, Tomorrow we can tackle the cube because we will have more minutes. Let's see if we can actually do it. Um, we are given a class. Class. We are given a class solution. What is it? No, I don't see this solution class. But mind you, the main method input. Where is this thing? Oh, and the solution. And it seems like it is not complete. Oh, holy crap. Mm, we are doing it. And continue class. Inner category. Static class. Inner. And private class. Wait. Private. Private. Power int num. Correct. Integral num power It's like a big operation. Go to just go to just type in the series, checks whether the number you have you have to call the method power. That's on the main method just solution. It was it's not very this last events actually to really because it sucks infection expense. For the people that knows me, I am very overweight, as you can see. But I am losing weight. Uh, I just saw in the camera. I never have seen this site. I'm losing weight. 5 pounds around 3 months. I expect to continue with that trend and hopefully soon be fit and healthy. I am healthy now, but I can lose some weight for sure. Yeah, okay. Time has gone. So what can we learn for this? For tomorrow, less talking, more code. Yes, I will stop talking for sure because I don't know. I don't know. Why are you using this? What's going on already? Where is this going? Come on over here. Mm-mm. You have to call the method power to class in the private from the main method of the class. Where is the main method? Over here it is. um, in the fire. They already have this all no, in the fire. Fire. Well, this is private, but I think I will tackle this model. Then I I don't know. And I will well that's it for me. What's going on with it? I will have a 10 minutes break and then I will make a live. I will ridiculize myself in a live session next 10 minutes and on how to in which I'm going to try to read some text in other idioms so people can see the similitudes idioms that I don't know. For example, French or Italian, but some words are similar to Spanish. It will be in Spanish. So people can see that yo, this channel is about giving confidence to people. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, another programming. Where are the kids? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, let's have for 1 minute and 15. Let's see if we can do this. Um, in those new glass iron private power private can access this red dot. Um, Going close on east and hungry. See you later. Nine, most likely 15 minutes. Thank you very much, bye.